One of the biggest interruptions during video calls is distracting background noise. That's why Polycom Studio features our exclusive NoiseBlock technology. NoiseBlock listens for noise and automatically filters it out of the call.
So guys, hopefully this helps explain a little bit more of what our strategy is.
If I can get Eddie to give me his information.
When you're in an open workspace or regular meeting room and that happens, you're covered with Polycom Acoustic Fence that keeps out not just distracting sounds, but also outside voices. NoiseBlock and Acoustic Fence technology, the tools you need to fight background noise and office distractions. Polycom Studio, the USB video bar built for small rooms and big ideas.